In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app on HubSpot and retrieve your access token. This process will not only help streamline your workflow, but also enhance your integration capabilities within HubSpot. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the trial guide of the Sales Hub Professional section on HubSpot. Once you're there, you're going to want to look for and click on the Settings icon within the main menu. This is typically found on the upper right corner of your screen, alongside other primary navigation tools. Settings in HubSpot allow you to customize, connect, and manage various features and integrations within your account. So it's always the first place to start when you're configuring new apps or services. Next, we're going to focus on integrations. These integrations can dramatically expand HubSpot's functionality by interfacing with other applications and platforms you either already use or plan to use. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Integrations tab. This will open up a menu with different options linked to how you can extend and tailor your HubSpot experience. Once you're in the Integrations section, the next step is to find and click on Private Apps. This area is specifically designed for setting up custom applications that you control, which can then interact with your HubSpot account to perform automated actions or share data with other systems. With private apps, you're empowered to customize your experience with a personalized touch. Now move forward by clicking on Create a Private App. During this stage, it's important to have a clear purpose or task that you want your app to perform because that will guide the next few customizations. After you initiate the creation of a private app, you'll have access to the hub where you can specify details about what your app will do and which parts of your HubSpot account it will access. Proceed to click on Scopes, which are crucial in HubSpot's API structure. Scopes help define what permissions your private app will have. These permissions ensure your app only accesses what it needs, maintaining both functionality and security. Click on Add New Scope to specify which capabilities your app should interact with. By tailoring scopes precisely, you keep the system secure and efficient. With your scopes set, it's time to click on Update. Updating here is crucial as it ensures that all your changes are saved and implemented within the app. Now, navigate to webhooks. Webhooks are powerful tools that allow your app to listen for specific events and act accordingly. Click on Webhooks and then proceed to inform your app about which events it should respond to. Finally, click Create App to finalize the app's initial setup and then continue creating. This ensures you've saved all settings and are prepared to integrate it into your existing workflow. Once that's done, you're all set to go. Now, your private app is ready, and you can securely retrieve your access token within the HubSpot interface. This token will be essential for interfacing securely between your app and the HubSpot account to execute the operations you designed. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating.